In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your email on Steam. Very simple. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So now let's tap on our wallet here. Good. On this section, we just move to see my account details. Good. And now let's go to the bottom and you can see manage email preferences and change email address. So now let's tap on change my email address. So why would you love to change your email address? I no longer access this email. That's something you need to choose definitely. Okay. So here what you do is you provide a new email here. The new email you want to change your account to, and what was your first email, give the old email here, and then provide a phone number from your account. So if you have a phone number linked, you provide that here for account recovery. You should know that. And anything you want to tell them, just tell them here. You can attach a screenshot here and send that. You'll get a mail, and then you follow the mail procedure to, change your mail or your email on your Steam account. It's very simple. If you are new here, I'll drop a link to how to add a phone number to your Steam account. So if you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.